Hello students, this is exercise 11.1, sixth question. In the sixth question, there is a wire which is used to make rectangle as well as square. When a same wire is used to make rectangle and square, it means the perimeter are equal. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Length and breadth are given, so perimeter comes out to be 124. Now according to the question, same wire makes the square. So the perimeter of square is also 125. Now the area, what is the side of square? Side of square is perimeter divided by 4. So it comes out to be 31. Area of rectangle is length into breadth, 880. Area of square is side multiplied by side, 961. So natural 961 is more than 880. So square encloses more area. Next is, there is a question that the perimeter of rectangle given is 130 and the breadth given is 30. You have to calculate the length. So length is perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth. 130 divided by 2 minus breadth, that is 65 minus 30 comes out to be 35. Area is length multiplied by breadth. So 30 multiplied by 35 is 1050 centimeter square. Third question is, there is a door and a wall. Length and breadth of door is given. Since the door is a rectangle, so area is length into breadth. Wall is also a rectangle, so area is length into breadth. Now you have to whitewash the area. It's not given you have to subtract the door, but we know that the door is never get whitewashed. Whitewashed is only wall. So area of wall minus the area of door, it comes out to be 14.2. Cost of washing 1 meter square is rupees 20. So cost of doing whitewash on 14.2 meter square is 20 multiplied by 14.2. It comes out to be rupees 284. Now see the next. In the exercise 11.2, there is a parallelogram and its area is to be calculated. Two data, base and height, are given. Area of parallelogram is base multiplied by height. So I have not drawn the figures. Figures are there in the book. Base is given. Height is always the perpendicular, that is a line 90 degree to the base. Multiply base and height, you will calculate the area. In the next second question, the area of triangle is to be calculated, which is half multiplied by base multiplied by height. See, in all the 4 figures in the book, base and height is given. You have to apply half into base into height. You will calculate the area of triangle. Now in third question, you have to calculate the missing base or missing height using 2 parameters, area and base or area and height. If you have to calculate the height, the formula is area upon base. If you have calculated the base, the formula is area upon height. Upon means divide. In the fourth question, triangle is given. So in triangle, if you have to calculate the height, it is 2 multiplied by area upon base. And if you have to calculate the base, it is 2 multiplied by area upon height. All the questions are very, very simple. See the question number 5. In the question number 5, there is given a parallelogram whose 2 base and 2 altitudes are marked. Keep this thing in mind कि whenever to calculate the area of a quadrilateral, height is always considered that which is on the base on which it is drawn. कि अगर if you take the base as RS, तो height is QM. But if you take the base as PS, then the height is QN. So first of all, we calculate the area of PQRS as SR multiplied by QM. 12 multiplied by 7.6 is 91.2. By using that area, we calculate the base into height. Base is PS and the height is QN. Fifth and sixth question are exactly the same. Only the difference is in the sixth question, area is given and base is given both time. AB भी given है, AD भी given है. You have to calculate the height DL and BM. जब DL निकालना है तो you will use the base AB और जब BM निकालना है तो यू विल यूज द बेस AD। 7th क्वेश्चन में एक ट्रायंगल है इन विच 2 बेस 13 एंड 5 आर गिवन। 5 के ऊपर हाइट है 12, 13 के ऊपर हाइट है AD विच वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट। एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट। बेस लिया AB तो हाइट ले ली 12, इट कम्स आउट टू बी 30। 30 एरिया को यूज़ करके बेस को लिया AC एंड यू विल कैलकुलेट द हाइट AD। लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज exactly the same as 6th question in which 2 sides isosceles means both the sides are equal. Base is given 9, height is given 6, so area is half into 9 into 6 comes out to be 27. By using that area we calculate the height EC on the side AB, or you can say AC, both are same. तो हाफ मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7.5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय EC इज इक्वल टू 27। EC इज कैलकुलेटेड। ठीक है, होप इट इज़ क्लियर। डू इट इन योर फेयर नोटबुक। थैंक यू।